How to share prompt notes on Instagram. Recently, Instagram has added their newest feature, which is the share prompt notes on Instagram, where people can go ahead and add feedback to your prompts or to your notes. Now, you simply want to head over to your app store. Since this is the newest feature, we want to make sure that our Instagram application is up to date. From here, you want to go ahead and click on the Instagram application. If you see an update button, just go ahead and click on it, making sure that our application is up to date. Now, once inside the Instagram application, you want to head over to the message icon right here, and once inside, just go ahead and click on the note button. Inside note button, we have three options right here, which is music, prompt, and camera. You want to select the middle one, which is the prompt one, and from here you can just go ahead and add your own prompt. Go ahead and click on share, and as you can go ahead and see, if people click on your note right here, they can go ahead and add a response. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.